Hi, my name is Don Pryor, and I am the founder of Network Services Group. I started NSG back in 2001 and was actually doing computer and IT support for 10 years before that. Been doing this a long time, and a lot of things have changed over the years, but thankfully one thing that hasn't changed is I get to work with a lot of great people and a lot of great companies. A lot of them since the very early days, as well as some new faces along the way. So very grateful for that. Our goal at NSG is to make it so that our customers get to experience the positive side of what technology has to offer. We know, because we've seen it, that when technology is set up properly and it's maintained along the way, that it makes people's jobs easier. They get more stuff done, they're more productive, and they're happier. We also know the opposite of that is true, right? If the technology isn't working, people are frustrated, things take longer, it's more headaches, and that's not what we want. We want to make sure that things are set up from the beginning properly, and that they're maintained along the way so that the technology works when you need it, you get more stuff done, and you can do and focus on what you're best at. So we have three great programs how we can work with people. The first is just a pay-as-you-go program where if you need support or help, you let us know, we get you taken care of, and then you just pay for the services that you need. There's no long-term commitments or contracts. The second program that we have is pay-as-you-go, but it also has a monitoring and maintenance plan. So we monitor your critical systems, your servers and workstations, and get alerts if something's going on so that we can be a little bit more proactive about taking care of things. Often, we'll know about it before you do under those scenarios. And also have a maintenance plan in place so that, we're installing security updates on a regular basis. We're checking logs. We're making sure that your systems are backed up and that viruses aren't running rampant through your networks. We just see it over and over again that people who put a little effort into maintaining their systems, they work better, they perform better, and they last longer. So that's a great option if that's in your budget. Our third plan includes all of that, but it also includes support. So it's one monthly fee based on the number of computers and servers and locations that you have. And it includes the monitoring, it includes the maintenance, but it includes all the support you need for keeping your systems up and running. And you don't have to worry about getting an extra bill if you pick up the phone and give us a call. It's all included. So a lot of people like knowing what the fee is going to be and having that all-inclusive support. So that's a great option for some people. For other people, just the pay-as-you-go or the pay-as-you-go with the maintenance plan is a better choice. So whatever you decide, they're all great plans. And if you have any questions, let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Please contact us, and we look forward to making your experience with technology both positive and productive.